Hello guys, I hope everyone is fine. In today's video we will be discussing the concept of Turing machine, and the question that we are discussing is 0 power n, 1 power n, 2 power n. So this example is not solvable by using push down automata and finite automata either. So the pattern that we are going to do is the same thing, that we need to reach the blank symbol by recognizing equal number of zeros followed by equal number of ones followed by equal number of twos. So it means number of twos will match with number of ones and number of will match with number of zeros. So it means I am taking one example out of it: 000, 111 and 222, right? So this is what I am going to take, and importantly guys, I will replace 0 with x, 1 with y and 2 with z. Now why I am doing the right operation? Because we are matching zeros, ones and twos. Importantly, try to understand this very important concept is that the moment your tape goes on right hand side, it matches one variable and converts it, and the moment it goes to left hand side, it matches one variable and performs the task. So it means I have this tape with me with 0 0 and 0, 1 1 and 1, 2 2 and 2, and I presume that we are reaching blank symbols here, right? So the target is to reach this blank symbol. Now first important step, first 0 is encountered. 0 will be matched with 1 and will be matched with 2 also. So I am converting this 0 to x. So I am writing q0. The moment first 0 is encountered, I am converting it to x and I am moving in right direction. Target from 0 is this one. It means this is my target and this is my 0, which is converted to x. Now you tell me that even you try it out. So how many number of things which will be encountered before I reach this one? Because my target is to reach 1. So whatever number of zeros will be encountered, they will be taken in the form of loop. So over here my target is to reach 1. All 2 number of zeros are encountered. I am putting a loop of 0, 0 and r. Now what is this? 0 is converted to 0. It means we are using read operation. These zeros are not getting converted. From this x I have to reach 1 and 2 zeros are encountered. So 2 zeros are taken into consideration. Now you are at 1. So it means you are at this one. The moment 1 is reached, it gets converted to y, and your target is to reach this 2. So 2 is the target. So how many number of, so 1 is reached, 1 is converted to y, and we are moving in the right direction, q2, right? So 1 over here changes to y and we are moving towards q2. We are moving to 2. So how many number of ones are encountered in between? No issues, but we need to reach 2. So if you see, there are 2 number of ones which are encountered in between. I am writing 1, 1 and r. Why? Because I am encountering these 2 ones. Now I am at this particular 2. Now guys, the point is that 2 will be converted to z. Obviously 2 will be converted to z. Now which direction I should go? Obviously I cannot go towards right direction. Why? Because I will get other 2's. I need to match 2 with 1 and with 0. So we have got one iteration done, and the moment this 2 is converted, it goes to z, right? So I am converting it to z and I will move in left direction. It means I need to start the process again. It means I need to reach x, not zeros, not ones, x. Why? Because the moment you reach x, you can start the same process again. So it means you have to reach x. Now you tell me what are the things that are encountered when I am moving from this z to this x. I am encountering ones, so I am writing 1 1 L, right? I am encountering y also, I am writing y y and L. I am encountering zeros also, so I am writing 0 0 L. So have I reached this x? Absolutely. I have reached this x. I have to start the same process. That's why I have gone to Q0. Why? Because from this x you can start the same process by encountering values. So you have to convert this 0 to x. So this is start from Q0, and I am at x. What I have to do in this x? I have to read this x. Why I am reading? Because I am not converting it. So I am reading this x and I am moving to right direction. So eventually you are at this x and you are in right direction. The moment first 0 is encountered from this x, you are converting it to x. So it means this is your 0 which is converted to x. Now if this 0 is converted to x, so you need to tell, you have to encounter what is your target. Now this is converted to x, the target is always the next possible 1. So the next possible 1 is encountered only if you encounter 0. You have already written 0 0 r, but you are encountering in between to reach this one y. So you are writing y y r. Right? So you have reached this one. The moment 1 is reached, you are converting to y, and the target is to reach this 2. So what are the things you are encountering in between? 1, we are writing 1 1 r, but you are also writing z z r, right? So you have reached this 2, right, and this 2 would be converted to z and you are moving in left direction. Yes, it is converted to z and you are moving in left direction to go to this x. Now you tell what are the things you are encountering in between from this z to this x. One z is there, so you can write z z l. Then 1 is there, you have written, y is there, you have written, 0 is there, you have written. Yes, again x, the moment you reach this x, you are going to read it, you are moving in right direction. Again 0 will be converted to x, 1 will be converted to y, 2 would be converted to z, right? From this z again you will reach this x, right? So you will reach this x. Now the important point is you have read this x, your target is to reach this blank. Guys listen, 3 zeros 3x, 3 y's 3 zeros 3x, 3 1's 3 y's, 3 2's 3 z's, they are matched. Now target is to reach blank. Now the point is that since you have reached this x, you are moving in the right direction. What is the thing that you have to encounter? Because you have to reach this blank. This y would be converted to, this y would be converted to, it's not going to get converted. Why? Because you have to reach this blank symbol. So you will read this y. First y is encountered. So there are 2 y's and z's are to encounter to reach this blank. So I am writing Q4, all y's are encountered and all blanks are, all z's are encountered. You are moving in the right direction. Now you have reached blank symbol. The moment blank symbol is reached, you reach the final state. So 3 zeros converted to 3x, 3 1's converted to 3 y's, 3 2's converted to 3 z's. The moment you reach this y, you will just read it and you are moving in the right direction. Your target is to reach this blank. So any number of y's you are encountering any number of z's you are encountering, you are just going to read them. The moment you reach blank symbol, that is your final state is reached. This is how your 0 power n, 1 power n, 2 power n is recognized by Turing machine. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly make sure that our videos reach to maximum audience. Thank you very much.